How do I convert metric measurements to US cups? If you have ever found yourself puzzled by a recipe using metric measurements, you are not alone. Converting metric measurements to United States cups can seem tricky, but it is quite straightforward once you understand the basics. Let's break it down together. First, let's clarify the units. A metric cup is defined as 250 milliliters. In contrast, a United States cup is about 236.6 milliliters. This means that a metric cup is slightly larger than a United States cup. Now, how do we convert? To convert metric cups to United States cups, you can use a simple factor. 1 metric cup is approximately equal to 1.06 United States cups. So, if you have a recipe that calls for 1 metric cup, you would use about 1.06 United States cups instead. For smaller measurements, like deciliters, it gets a bit easier. 1 deciliter equals 100 milliliters. Therefore, 1 deciliter is about 0.42 United States cups. If you have milliliters, just divide the number of milliliters by 236.6 to get the equivalent in United States cups. Let's look at some practical examples. If you need to convert to metric cups of flour, that would be about 2.12 United States cups. If a recipe calls for deciliters of sugar, that converts to around 1.68 United States cups. And if you have 100 milliliters of milk, that would be roughly 0.85 United States cups. It's also important to remember that some ingredients are measured by weight instead of volume. For instance, 1 cup of all-purpose flour weighs about 125 grams, while 1 cup of sugar weighs about 200 grams. This means that weight-to-volume conversions can vary based on the ingredient. To make things easier, you can use online recipe converters. These tools can quickly translate metric measurements to United States cups and even convert grams to ounces or Celsius to Fahrenheit. They are handy for converting entire recipes in just a few clicks. When it comes to cooking, especially baking, precise measurements are key. For best results, consider weighing your ingredients instead of relying solely on volume conversions. This is particularly important for air fryer recipes, where accurate measurements help maintain cooking times and textures. So, to convert metric measurements to United States cups, simply divide the volume in milliliters by 236.6 or multiply metric cups by approximately 1.06. For weight measurements, use ingredient-specific conversions or a kitchen scale for the best results. This way, you can ensure your cooking techniques yield the delicious results you are aiming for, no matter the measurement system used.